And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, do not spy. Huh? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Wala yaghtab. Huh? Where is the file of yaghtab? Ba'du. Ba'du is the file. Huh? What is yaghtab? Wala. Okay, la nahiya came again, brothers and sisters. So we cannot say it is mawtufun. Yes, brothers and sisters, we can easily make a mistake. And if I tell you, if I ask you, yaghtab, okay, it seems like majzum. What is marfu? You will say yaghtabu. What will you say? Yaghtabu. You will put a dhamma there. But that is wrong. Because this verb is ightab. Form 8. To backbite. What is the meaning of it? To backbite. What is the mudariya? Yaghtabu. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Yaghtabu. We got to watch for this. Ikhtara, yakhtaru. These verbs, which are coming in this form, we got to watch for it. Okay, they are ajwaf, brothers and sisters. Now, make yaghtabu majzum. How will you make it majzum, brother? We'll give a sukoon here. Now what happens? There is already a sukoon there. Huh? So I have to cross it. What is the result now? Yaghtab. Huh? Yaghtab. Huh? Yaghtab. This is what you got. And some of you should not backbite others. That is the guidance of Allah. Okay? Do not guess, because the guessing can be totally wrong and then you will commit an error, a sin, and you should not spy on others. See, we have to keep all these things in our mind about Form 5 and 6, that the ta can be dropped. Okay? If you know this, and when you read the Quran, you will understand it right away, inshallah. Wala yaghtab ba'dukum, and some of you should not backbite others. Because these three things are not good habits, brothers and sisters. These are not good habits. Ayuhibbu ahdukum. Ahdu is your file. Ayuhibbu ahdukum an yakula lahma akhihi maitan. Brother, this is such a strong statement that if you understand it, it will cause you shiver in your body. You will tremble. Because if we do any of these, it will amount to this statement. What is that statement, brother? Ayuhibbu ahadukum. Will any of you love to eat meat, flesh of your dead brother? It will amount to that. فَكَرِهُتُمُهُ. You will hate it. You will dislike it. The last who is mafulun bihi. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? The verb is kariha, to dislike. What is maitan? It's mansub. It is hal. It is hal here. Is everything clear, brothers and sisters? Where is the mafulun bihi for yuhibbu? An yakula. Masdar muawwal. An yakula. You got to open your eyes and your mind to everything. Yuhibbu comes, there is the masdar muawwal. We got to place that masdar muawwal somewhere. What is it? What's its value in the sentence? The value in the sentence is that it is masdar muawwal fi mahalli nasbin mafulun bihi for yuhibbu. Okay, brothers and sisters? Fine. Wattaqullaha. Wattaqullaha. Amar, brother. Form 8. Ittaqa yattaki. Did you get a chance to conjugate during the weekend? I hope you had a chance to do it, brother. I had requested you. Ittaqa yattaki. And then, brothers and sisters, we come to Antum Kuna. And this comes from Ittaka, and then Yattaki, and it comes from Waka. Are you with me? And Waka change into Ivtaka. Okay, and this Ivtaka change into Ittaka. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Is it clear? You should have this in your mind 100% clear, brother. Yattakuna, what shall I do, brother? Hassan? Chop and chop, and I bring Hamza. So it became Ittaku. But again, this is Hamzatul Wasal, and if anything comes before it, I will not be pronouncing it. So what is the Wattaku? See? Wattaku. I did not pronounce Hamza. Wattakullah. And fear Allah. Brothers and sisters. Have consciousness of Allah. Remember Allah all the time so that we do not do anything that will displease Him. That will cause Him to be angry on us. Inna Allah Tawwabun Rahim. Brothers and sisters. So where is the file of Ittaku? Wow. How will I describe Ittaku? Fi'lu amrin mabniun ala hadfi noon. File is wow. Allah is mafulun bihi. Inna Allah, of course, that's very easy. Tawwabun is khabar. Inna. And what is Rahimun? Khabar number 2. Khabar number 2 of Inna. We are going to learn many beautiful things in this lesson. Some of the most beautiful things that we read in the Quran will come to you, inshallah. Because we are going to understand in this lesson what is the meaning of Tawwab and Rahim, which is so beautiful that so far Dr. Abdul Rahim did not explain us, because we were in the initial stage of our study. Now that we have understood quite a bit of Arabic, he will introduce this to us, inshallah. Naktafi bihadha dars. What is this naktafi? Iktafa, to be sufficient. To be satisfied. To be satisfied or to be sufficient. Okay. Naktafi bihadha dars. That's enough for this dars. Okay. Raji'u. Fi'lu amar. Durusa. Okay. Raja, yuraji'u, raji'u. Form 3. Form 3, brother. Durusa sabikata. What is sabikata? It is the previous one. Previous one, brother.